G'day. So this is a little tip for working with these axles and wheels in particular. So the axle is pressed at the ends to make it wider, and the wheels are pushed on and they're held on via that. So when you can remove these and then in a way that you can put them back on and they'll be fine, they won't slip or anything. You have to grab both and you have to pull very straight, and it's difficult, but they will come apart. So you can see the axle is crimped there, makes it wider, and it sticks on. Now I don't know how I'm gonna, these shouldn't be able to, yeah, they're gonna be a little difficult to get on. I might have to file that down a little bit for this one. I'll have to pause and see what's going on. Well, that was a little bit difficult, but I've got them on, and we'll get the wheel back on. So that should do the trick, and I'll see you in the next video.